Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. Today you'll learn one of the most used and easy trading strategies. Yes, you will learn how to trade Golden Cross. However, I have improved trading Golden Cross with my 3-step trading technique, which makes it so simple and effective. As usual, I teach in 2 videos. First video is about learning technicals and the second video is about real trading example. Please subscribe for the upcoming example video. I always teach step-by-step trading techniques unlike so many others, because this way everything is so simple and clear. You'll have no questions in your mind at the end of the video. Okay folks, let's start. Now, let's learn the Golden Cross. What is the Golden Cross? Golden Cross is the simplest indication for trend or momentum change for securities. It's nothing complicated at all. When the 50 simple moving average crosses over 200 simple moving average, it's considered as a trend change. Then what is special about the Golden Cross? Actually, it's nothing. It's special only because it's watched by millions of investors and traders worldwide. So people make it extraordinary. So first of all, let's talk about which time frames that you can use it. The most common time interval people use the Golden Cross is 1 day. I can almost say this is kind of a universal rule. From long-term investors to day traders watches the Golden Cross with a 1-day time interval. I also should admit the Golden Cross is mostly used by investors worldwide who likes buy and hold strategy. However, day and swing traders also use it a lot. 4 hours to 30 minutes chart is suitable for the strategy as well. You get in and out quickly. One another question is, can I use it for scalping? To be honest, do not bother. There are much better scalping techniques than the Golden Cross. However, this is just my opinion. If you can do it, why not? Before showing my ultimate 3-step trading technique, are you an investor or trader? Investors love moving average based strategies because they hold a position for a really long time and they do not care for the fluctuations in the short terms. This is why the Golden Cross, watched by investors closely worldwide, they love it. On the other hand, traders focus more on volume, price action, and market change based strategies. Sometimes I trade only the candles, price and volume when I do day trading without any other indicators. Now I know you want to see this strategy. However, it's important to understand the difference between investors and traders and their approach to markets. Okay, let's start learning my 3-step trading technique. This strategy is so simple, you will not believe it. And it's so easy to use that everyone can use it. Step 1. Confirm a recent Golden Cross. Just confirm a recent Golden Cross, that's it. Step 2. Confirm pullback breakout. Now, this is the core of how to trade Golden Cross. I do not just jump to a trade because I saw a cross. New traders fall into this trap all the time. Never ever enter a trade before a confirmation. Step 3. Confirm entry. Here we'll learn the exact entry point and place our stop loss orders and take profit orders. So many other teachers do not teach these. I just want to show you how I trade every single day with different strategies. I hope that you may gain some useful trading knowledge. Okay, let's see some trading examples step by step. Okay, as you can see, our first example is USDEUR. A recent Golden Cross happened as we like it. Now as you can see, this is our pullback. Pullbacks are very easy to detect small downtrends on big uptrends. The trick is there should be a minimum of 3 touch points to be a valid pullback. Not everything is a valid pullback. So that small downtrend should touch resistance of the trend channel at least 3 times. Detecting pullback breakout is so simple. a nice green candle breaks out the trend resistance line. Don't worry, we will see so many examples. You will fully understand it. Let's check another example of step 2. This time we are looking at the Bitcoin chart at 1-day time frame. As you can see, a recent golden cross happened. However, the price went under the 200 SMA for a while, which is a bad signal. But this is why I have developed 3-point touch pullback breakout. As you can see, our breakout comes after the third touch. However, there could be more than 3-point touches, 4, 5, 6 and more. The rule is a minimum of 3 touches. If I see a breakout at the second touch, I do not touch that chart anymore. Let's see one more pullback breakout example and then learn how to enter a trade. This time I'm looking at ATOMUSDT, and as you can see, our nice breakout comes after the 4th touch point. I believe that you have now learned step 1 and step 2 of trading my 3-step golden cross trading technique. Now let's learn the confirming entries. Step 3. Confirm entries. Now confirming entries even simpler than step 1 and 2. I zoomed out the chart for this step so you can easily see it. After the pullback breakout candle, I'm waiting for the next candle which beats high of our breakout candle. As you can see on the chart, it's very simple. Just beat the high of the breakout candle. Let's learn to place entries, stop loss, and take profit orders. I'm continuing with the same examples. I place my entry the moment a candle breaks the high of the pullback breakout candle. I generally place my stop loss order around at the bottom of the pullback. My risk-reward ratio is around 1 to 2R. I place my take profit order depending on it. However, there are some other ways to place stop loss and take profit orders with ATR, which I will teach you in other videos. But 1R to 2R risk-reward ratio is a quite a common way of handling trades. Now let's see another example. This was our Bitcoin example with a zoomed out chart. As you can notice, my entry is the candle which beats the high of the pullback breakout candle. I hope that it's very clear by now. If you are confused with anything, please write in the comment section below, because I answer every question in the comments. Okay, our stop order at the bottom of the pullback and take profit order is at 2R, as you can see it. One more example to deeply understand it. This example shows the power of beating high of the pullback breakout candle. This is why I always say this to my students. If you want to learn to trade and make consistent profits, you have to learn to be patient. Because consistent profits rely on a couple of things. 1. Protecting your cash. 2. Patience. 3. Stop loss orders. If you have these 3, even if your winning trade rate at 20%, you will make money. Because winning trade numbers and statistics are useless at all. If you have 19 winner trades and 1 loser trade which costs 50% of your account, that 95% of winning rate means nothing. Okay folks, this was my first video of how to trade golden cross with the 3 steps trading technique. In my next video, I'll be showing real trading examples of golden cross trading. Please subscribe to the channel not to miss it. I hope that you've gained useful trading insights today. Please take care and see you soon.